Now that we know what your business model is, who you're selling to, what you're selling, and you have some idea that the business is going to be profitable, it's time to start setting it up in a technical sense. If you haven't already, you'll likely want to set up some sort of legal entity for your business. There are two main benefits of setting up a legal entity. The first is building a wall between your business and your personal life. If you have no legal entity, you're known as a sole proprietor in the US. And as a sole proprietor, you are legally responsible for the debts and losses in your business. And for e-commerce specifically, if you sell a defective product or make a mistake, you will be personally liable. That means if you sell a product and someone sues you, they could win any of your assets, including your house, car, or retirement savings. If you set up a legal entity, debts will be limited to the company instead of you personally. And as much as you love your business, you don't want it invading your personal life. The second benefit of setting up this wall is it makes it easier to set up a separate bank account and track expenses. When you run a business, especially an e-commerce business, there are a lot of tax write-offs, including advertising, hiring contractors, creating prototypes, and manufacturing products. Having a separate business account makes it easy to do the bookkeeping to maximize those tax write-offs and reduce the amount you owe. In the US, it's common to set up a limited liability corporation, or an LLC. These are pretty easy to maintain and provide the benefits of a separate legal entity. To set up an LLC, you want to file the paperwork with your state's Secretary of State. There's often a small filing fee, and in many states, you can do this online. We're not going to cover all of the steps in this process because it varies greatly state to state and country to country. You can watch some of our other courses in the library to learn more.